Hello guys, good evening once again. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest weather analysis for this Thursday through Saturday, February 8 to 10, 2024. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, British Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. By the way, if you want to know BPI's program on sustainability, it's called BPI, hashtag BPI Sustainable with You. Just click on the link here for more details. And also Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Let's check now our latest Thu-Sat. This is for today, Thursday, until tomorrow, Friday. We have a developing frontal system to the south of Japan, moving away. And behind that is a new surge of the Northeast Monsoon, but it's only limited along the Babuyan and Batanes group of islands, and along the coastal areas, coastal waters of Ilocos Norte and northern Cagayan. While the Rest of Luzon will remain calm with variable winds, while light easterly winds will be expected across the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. While over the most parts of Mindanao, we could expect some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Okay, because of local convection. So far, we don't have any developing low pressure area outside of PAR. We just have here a near equatorial trough, nothing to worry about. And all the risk of flooding and landslides will remain at low levels. Okay, and as we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. Nothing to show to you. And even our zoom in satellite animation, everything is quiet across the rest of the Philippine Islands except for Mindanao. There will be some rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, and it's good for them since we are on a strong El Nino, and the effects will expected to be felt throughout the hot dry season until the end of May. Actually, for the next 2 to 3 weeks, we could expect some below average rainfall across our country. So let's be prepared with this kind of low level average rainfall. And as for the wind forecast and the pressure forecast from the European model, this is the latest. And as you can see here, it's all quiet across the Philippine Islands with some light winds. And you'll see here up north the new surge of the Northeast Monsoon affecting the Batanes and Babuyan group of islands, as well as the coastal waters of Extreme Northern Luzon. By tomorrow afternoon, the Northeast Monsoon will extend across the coastal waters of Ilocos provinces down here over the West Philippine Sea, affecting as well the Calayan Island group and the rest of the Spratlys, while the rest of the country will remain under the influence of the easterly wind flow. And by Saturday, the Northeast Monsoon will strengthen, affecting the whole of the West Philippine Sea, and it will now extend across the eastern sections of Luzon, particularly eastern sections of Calabarzon, and also Bicol region, and the rest of the Visayas, where we could be experiencing another surge of the Northeast Monsoon through the weekend. And on Sunday, it will start to the winds will start to strengthen up to 50 kph in gustiness, and the peak of this new surge of the monsoon will be on Monday until Friday. So we expect winds of up to 60 or 55 kph across the eastern sections of the country, including the Visayas and eastern Luzon, Bicol region. So there will be a possibility of some showers expected, but the shear line is not that strong, but we don't know if on the real scenario if the shoreline will become strong. So we are going to observe that. And then on Wednesday, Valentine's Day, the Northeast Monsoon will start to weaken across the country. So here's the rain forecast. Going to show to you what will happen. So Friday, there's no rain. Okay, Saturday, just possibility of light showers across the eastern seaboards of Luzon, including Bicol region. And on Sunday, still same situation. Some showers will also be expected across Mindanao. And here's the shear line that I'm talking about. A possibility of a new shear line because of the Northeast Monsoon. And some showers will be expected across Cagayan Valley. And on Monday, February 12, it will affect the rest of eastern Luzon. Some light showers because of the Northeast Monsoon. And possibility of a shear line also moving across the Bicol region. And it will extend until Tuesday. And by Wednesday, we could see some improvement of the weather. But there will still some showers expected across eastern Luzon as we switch into easterly or warm easterly wind flow on Valentine's Day. So more updates will be so let's just wait for more updates this coming weekend on what will be the effects of the new surge of the Northeast Monsoon before Valentine's Day. So for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday, most of the rainfall are still concentrated across the eastern sections of Davao Oriental. And nothing much. Okay, isolated showers and thunderstorms across the rest of Mindanao. And some light showers will also be expected across the northern and eastern sections of Luzon, as well as the mountainous areas of Oriental Mindoro. That's Mount Halcon. Okay, vicinity of Mount Halcon. It's what we call as orographic uplift. Okay, wherein the air mass will bump into the side of the mountain where it will release some rainfall. Okay, so for the wave forecast from the European model, today it will remain 1.5 meters across the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, while the inland portions of our country will have inland waters, will have wave height of from calm to up to 0.6 meters, so it's relatively quiet, while over the West Philippine Sea is from 0.5 to 1 meter, and it's still good. And on Friday, and we have here the Northeast Monsoon, bringing some wave heights of up to 2.5 to 3 meters across Batanes, Babuy, and Cubao Islands. And on Friday afternoon, the effects of the Northeast Monsoon will move into the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea, which will generate wave heights of up to 3 meters, while the rest of the archipelago, or the rest of the West Philippine Sea, will experience wave heights of 1.5 to 2 meters, as well as over the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, wave heights of 1.8 up to 1.5 to 1.8, or up to 2 meters if we rounded it off. While over the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, it will remain very light waves, okay, or calm conditions up to 0.6 or nearing 1 meter. And on Saturday, the surge of the Northeast Monsoon will expand across the West Philippine Sea, so expect wave heights of up to 3 meters here, while over the eastern sections of the country will have increasing wave heights of 1.5 to 2 meters here. Inland waters will remain okay, around 0.5 up to 1 meter. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, issued every Tuesday and Wednesday Philippine time. And here's now the latest for the next 2 to 3 weeks. On week 2, valid February 14 to February 20, it looks like the Philippine Islands will have more than 65 or more than 50 to 65% of below average rainfall. So we are now feeling the effects of El Nino, while over the southern hemisphere we have some very strong signals of tropical cyclone formation. It's not our basin, so nothing to worry about. That's over Australia and the South Indian Ocean east of Madagascar. And on week 3, valid February 21 to February 27, which is highly uncertain, less than 35% probability or low probability, the Philippine Islands will continue to experience more than 65% of below average rainfall. And that's the effects of the El Nino. So let's conserve water. While over the southern hemisphere, continued tropical cyclone activity will prevail through week 3 or third week of this forecast. Okay, so that's the latest for today, and we will be back again this weekend to give you more updates on the weather and the upcoming surge of the Northeast Monsoon before Valentine's Day. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Have a happy Chinese New Year. Okay, this coming weekend. Kong Hai Fa Choi. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.